Brain fog is not just feeling tired. It is neuroinflammation. Your immune system attacking your own brain cells. And the blood test that predicts it costs less than $10. Chronic low-grade inflammation is the root of most brain problems. When inflammatory markers stay elevated, cytokines like IL-6, TNF-alpha, and CRP cross the blood-brain barrier. They activate microglia, the brain's immune cells. Overactive microglia literally prune healthy synapses. This is why you cannot think clearly when you are sick. And why chronic inflammation causes long-term cognitive decline. C-reactive protein, CRP, is a simple blood test. Levels above 3.0 mg per liter indicate high cardiovascular and brain inflammation. A 2019 neurology study tracking 12,000 adults found that high CRP doubled dementia risk over 20 years. Cytokines cross the blood-brain barrier via active transport. Once inside, they reduce serotonin production, impair neurogenesis in the hippocampus, and damage myelin. This is the mechanism behind sickness behavior. The brain's response to systemic inflammation. Get tested. Ask your doctor for hsCRP. High sensitivity CRP. Target below 1.0 mg per liter. Immediate anti-inflammatory steps. Add 2 grams of omega-3, EPA and DHA daily. Eliminate seed oils. Soybean, canola, sunflower. Walk 10 minutes after every meal. Track your brain fog on a 1 to 10 scale daily. Measure it to improve it. Inflammation equals brain fog root cause. Tomorrow, sleep. Your brain's cleaning system that washes away toxins while you dream.